Like, ignore my baby hairs. They're just everywhere today. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I sat down and filmed this makeup look for you guys. I haven't filmed in such a long time, so I decided to, you know what, get my glam on, and this is what I came up with. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So the first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my skin. I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer today. This one is a drugstore, very affordable primer. It's cruelty free as well as vegan. Recently I've been changing up my routine. I've been doing my face routine first and then my eyes. I think it's because it's summertime and I'm not really a big fan of like putting on so much eyeshadow, so I'm just like, you know what, have flawless skin, and then I keep my eyes really neutral. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Wet n Wild Cushion Foundation in Buff Beige, which is a medium warm shade, and I just like to take a little puff. So I'm just gonna take it on the little puff that it comes with and then apply it all over my skin. This is a very lightweight formula and it has a luminous finish to it, so it kind of gives you that really nice dewy glow, especially for the summertime. And I just like it because it's so fast and lightweight, so I've been gravitating towards this a lot recently. And then before I set, I'm gonna go ahead and cream contour, and I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Stick in the color Call Me Maple. And today I'm gonna use the new the Morphe, I think, highlight and contour sponge. I heard a lot of good things about it. I just recently picked it up and I'm excited to try it. It has like a different shape than what I'm used to, which I think is really good for like baking and stuff, so we'll give it a whirl today. I did notice that it's a lot more dense. It's not as soft as like the Real Techniques one or obviously like the Beauty Blender, but so far it blended. It's working. It definitely is a lot harder than what I'm used to. Like, I feel like I'm like really pouncing my face, but it's working, so that's good. And then since I just had cream contour, I'm gonna cream highlight as well. I find that in the summertime, when I layer my products like a cream and then a powder, it makes my makeup last a lot longer, so that is why I am applying everything in cream product first and then going over it with powder. So this is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Luminous. I'm just going to apply it to the highest points of my face and then take that same Morphe sponge and just blend it out. And then to set the skin, I'm going to take my Maybelline Superstay Better Skin powder in the color 30 Warm Nude, and I'm just going to set my face. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of go over everything. This is a tinted powder, so I'm just going to lightly kind of like go over everything. It's going to add a little bit more color. And then to set our bronzer, I'm going to take the MAC Patrick Star Collection Give Me Life Bronzer. Love this. I always think it's going to smell good, but it doesn't smell good, but I love it as a bronzer. I'm just going to go over where we contoured and really bronze up the skin. Then I'm going to go ahead and highlight under my eyes. Since it's looking a little dull, I didn't add any concealer because I find that it's like a little heavy for me during the summertime, so I just like to powder. And this one is the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. Love this. It's very powdery, but it does the job and it's very affordable, so I love it. And I'm going to take it on a Real Techniques setting brush, and what I do is I just kind of tap it in and then obviously tap off the excess and then just look up, and then I pat it under my eyes and then I sweep whatever is left down so that it just brightens up this area. Especially when you don't add concealer, this makes like a big difference. Do you guys see that? Like, it's very dull. I love it. I'm going to add a little bit of blush. Today I'm going to use the Flower Beauty Flower Pots blush in Peach Primrose, the perfect peach blush you'll ever find, and it is a drugstore product as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and set my face and just kind of melt everything together before we apply our highlight. And then before my face completely dries, like it's a little tacky from the setting spray, this is where I like to add highlighter. This helps the highlighter cling onto your skin a little better, and it's just going to give it that extra glow. And today I'm going to take the Becca Opal highlighter. This one is like a little sample size, which is so cute. And I'm going to take it on a Morphe M501. Alright, so for the eyes, I want to keep it really simple. I just kind of want to keep it focused on the skin. So I'm just going to go ahead and prime my eyelids with some concealer. This is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Light 20. But I believe this is from the first release. So I believe the packaging, the labeling and the colors is different now. And then I'm just going to go ahead and set the concealer with the same Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. I just been like using this because it's there, and I've been really lazy doing eyeshadow, so this is what I've been doing. We're gonna go ahead and take that same bronzer on a big fluffy brush and apply this to the crease. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and throw this on my lower lash line as well, just to add a little bit of something. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use my Sigma Wicked Gel Liner. I just got this and I've only used it once or twice, so I'm not sure how I felt about it yet, but it is very, very creamy. Like, it is so creamy, you only need a little bit. And I just got a new brush to go with it, which is the Sigma Wing Liner Brush E06. It's like the super tiny wing liner that everybody raves about. For lashes, I'm so excited. I just got the new House of Lashes Demure Light. I don't know, they had it during their like semi-annual sale, so this was I think like $5, but it looks super pretty and full. And I like their light collection because they're not very heavy and they're more on like their natural side, so I'm very excited. I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my lashes and then apply these bad boys and then be right back. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and tight line it so it hides the band, because you can kind of see the band. I'm just gonna take my Kat Von D tattoo liner, just kind of go over it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of brown eyeliner to my lower lash line because it's looking a little bare. Okay, and then we gotta highlight our inner corner. I'm gonna take that same opal highlighter from Becca and then just add it to my inner corners. Alright, and then for lips, I'm gonna take my Lord & Berry lip crayon. This one I got in my Ipsy bag a few months back. It's in the color Spicy and it's super pretty and it's matte and I just love the color. I don't know, guys, what do you think? Oh my goodness, do I want to add a gloss? Okay, let's just add a little bit to the center. This is MAC's Fashion Punch lip gloss from the Patrick Summer collection. I'm just gonna add like a little bit to the center. Oh yeah, okay, I like it. It just kind of looks super glowy. All right, so this was the completed look. Super simple, glowy skin, very natural but yet very glam at the same time. So let's just, you know, do some reveal shots, shall we? So this was the completed look. Hope you guys enjoyed this really nice summer glam makeup tutorial. If you guys enjoy my videos and love watching them, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Follow me on my socials right here, and I'll talk to you guys soon in my next one. Bye. Oh, honey. Like summertime and you always gotta shave your armpits. Like, it's just great. It's just great. But wow, these lashes are gorgeous. Gorgeous. She's gorgeous. Okay.